part will provide the pregnancy test instruction and the procedure part, right? So in this part, first of all, you have to remove the plastic cap and to expose the absorbent window. Clear? In the next part, we have to point the absorbent tip with 5 small opening, right, directly into the urine section, urine stream, right. Take the sample for at least 7 to 10 seconds to ensure the adequate sample is collected by the testing device, right. In the third part, the device and the place continuously in a clean flat surface, means it is placed in a clean flat surface so that the urine sample will not go to the another place, or it will be placed in the same place where the pregnancy test is to be performed, right. In the third part, that is the procedure part, how we can proceed, how we can do the practical, right. What are the precautionary procedures we have to maintain during this practical? In this part, we have to first collect the urine in a cup and testing stick into the liquid, right, and put the testing stick into the liquid. After after doing this, you have to collect your urine in a cup, and you can use the dropper to ensure or to move a small amount of fluid into the other container, that is the port container which is present in the kit, right. And after doing this, you have to place the testing stick into the area of your expected urine stream so that it will perform or it will mix to the stream. Clear? And the next step, that is the precaution part, avoid containing water or any liquid into the fluid that affects the result of the experiment or the practical which we are going to do in this pregnancy kit. So we have to do this practical carefully so that you can understand the result which is coming after the practical. Hope so you have understand the steps, the total steps, what we have performed, what we are going to be performed, or what we have done in this practical, the total step. If you follow this total step or step by step, you can understand the practical clearly, right.